The Dr. Rainer Correa. Hello everyone, my name is Rainer Correa. I am a doctor, and today I want to share with you some tips and recommendations to have a healthy life and to prevent diseases. 1. Importance of a healthy lifestyle. First, it's important to understand that living a healthy lifestyle not only improves our physical well-being, but our mental and emotional health, and healthy body allows you to enjoy life to the fullest. 2. Basic tips for healthy living. Here are some suggestions and basic obligations that we must follow to take care of our health. Balanced feed. It is mandatory to consume fruits, vegetable proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats daily. Avoid excessive consumption of sugar, ultra-processed foods, and trans fats. Hydration. You should drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Stay hydrated helps regulate body temperature, eliminate toxins, and improve organ functions. Regular exercise. It is advisable to do physical activity at least 3 a day, 5 times a week. You can walk, run, swim, or play any sport you enjoy. Adequate rest. You should get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Sleep is essential for physical and mental recovery.